It has been a crazy Monday. Hey, baby girl. Ooh, that is bad. You okay? So, for those of you that don't own quail, quail when they breed, in the act of doing the deed, the male is, say, kinky. They will grab the back of the head of the female and complete the task. Well, our male, I guess, was getting a little too aggressive with one of our females, and her head is really bad. So we're quarantining her, putting her in the garage in her separate little tote, food and water and all that, so she can actually heal up a little bit. That's not the main event for today. The main event is we need to go help somebody out. One of my very close friends that I used to work with, she had a tree fall on her house yesterday, I believe, or the day before. Not exactly sure. It's not too bad, but we're going to go up there and help her out. I don't own a chainsaw. I take that back. I do own a chainsaw. Chainsaw does not work. So we're going to go buy a new chainsaw and drive up there and help her out and try to get that tree taken care of. So we're going to bring y'all with us, and hopefully it's fun. I mean, we'll see. Hopefully, if anything, maybe catch me falling off a roof. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So I'm going to get stuff loaded up, run to Home Depot, buy a chainsaw, and try to figure this stuff out. All right, so we got the chainsaw, waiting on someone to come pick it up. We need oil.
Jeez, why are gas cans so expensive?
That's how life is nowadays. Gas cans are expensive. I got a gas can. We're good.
Oh, well, I was saying about getting one for my car. Just in case I run out of gas.
Don't run out of gas. We got a bunch of gas cans. I'm trying to figure out.
I don't even know how to do this. Do we just push this up?
Yeah, you gotta push it up and you gotta push it. It's supposed to be stupid proof or something. I need to get some oil.
I need
to see what kind. Does it take 50 to 1 or 40 to 1? I guess it doesn't matter. We can just mix it.
It's a little funnel.
Yeah, for $3.50 for a funnel. Daggone. All right, y'all. We just showed up here and it's not bad. It's not great. It's gonna be fun. Easy. So this is what we're dealing with right here. No damage that we can see so far, but it's definitely gonna be fun. And I'm gonna introduce y'all to Tori real quick. This is Tori. We worked together for a while. She's phenomenal dog trainer. So if y'all need some dog training, make sure y'all come see her. I'll put her or their Facebook in the description. But let's throw the GoPro on, and I got my saddle and a ladder and all that, and let's figure it out. Y'all know how it goes. I'm not a professional. We're just gonna figure it out. Well, because I'm trying to tie off the top of this tree to that tree.
Right. So if you go up there and I go up there, you can throw it to me.
Let's see. You got dang gutters.
Huh?
You got dang gutters. Dang, why's your roof got to be steep? I hate roofs.
You just climbed a freaking tree.
I can hold on to a tree. I can't hold on to anything on a roof.
There's a tree on the roof.
Yeah, that may not be the most advisable thing. Hold on to the tree that's barely holding on for its life too. Because even then, that's not even that big of a tree. And I'm worried as soon as we strap it to it and try to swing it off, it's gonna break this and just there's a corner of your shed. Yeah. So that tree probably is not gonna work. That's like the biggest tree that might hold it. There's not gonna be any swing to it. It's just gonna fall straight. By the time it swings, it's gonna be at the ground.
Yeah.
I don't like that idea.
What idea? My idea?
No, cutting some of the limbs and then using the truck to try to pull.
Why don't you like that idea?
Because I'm worried about it scraping up the roof too much or coming down and busting your windows.
Worry about it too.
I said the good thing is if it fucks up the house too bad, we just use insurance. Oh yeah, the tree fell like that. And we just cut it up when it was on the ground.
Some random dude just started cutting it up. I don't know what the fuck he was doing. Can you move those out of the way?
Mm-hmm.
Bitch.
All this stuff is like.
All right, this one might kill me. Ah, shit.
I got you behind the shoulder. Now hook to the kayak racks. Don't fall on me.
I would like to not fall at all, baby.
I heard that crack. I heard that crack. It cracked. That's why he took off running. No, it cracked. And he's like, oh, hell no.
Yeah.
You need new tires. Yeah, but it's splitting right up the middle. Timber! Oh my gosh. Don't let it hit the house. It's enough. Oh. Yay! You got one!
All right, so now that we got this one down, trimming the branches up, not close to the trunk, but on the roof, just so when it comes down, it doesn't scrape.
So
But if I cut it, it might be more of a blunt force if it hits versus now it'd be more soft. All right, babe, so truck's in four-wheel drive. All right, all you gotta do is turn it on.
I had a gear.
I don't think the parking brake's set. If it is, put it in reverse, and you're not going to yank. You're just gonna slowly back up till the pressure, and then we'll communicate from there, okay? That way I don't have to get up and down. I can still stay up there and cut.
Grab them.
Maybe not, I don't know. Can you hold the ladder at least? Huh? Y'all talking shit?
Yeah, I'm scared of heights.
Oh, yeah. Only thing I climb trees for is deer. And even then, that's skeptical. Now, can I hook this rope to itself?
Yeah, you
Is that the best way to do it?
Hook it back to yourself and not do a bowling knot. If you send it back down, I'll tie you a bowling, and then just take the other end, run it through. That's what you call a running bowl.
Send it back down, Brian.
Okay. You lost me at, do you know how to?
You did hear the part where he said he's a tanker, right?
Hey, you can't be dropping this over there. Miss, I would have joined the military, but I would have slapped a drill sergeant.
Probably, I would have.
Hey, it's also breathing.
You want to swap spots? Let me know when you're clear down there.
Are you good? Do cut this.
All right. I'm just going to cut some of these small branches for away. Is it hooked? Did y'all get it hooked to the truck?
Oh. No, not yet.
What's your boyfriend doing? He don't know how to tie a simple, what kind of knot was it?
A bowling.
He don't know how to tie a bowling knot? What kind of boyfriend is he? All right, make sure she knows a little bit of pressure. Not yet. Let me get a relief cut first. A little bit of pressure. Hold it. Brake, chain's loose. I don't like this, but okay. She's loose.
Hey, that thing's gonna spring back. That limb on this trunk right here on that piece of cut.
Which one? This one?
The big limb right there by your thigh.
That's on this one.
Watch it because it's going to spring back. This one only way to cut that out of there, so if it does, spring break, it might take you with it.
Yeah, probably. All right. All right, give it a little bit of pressure. Yeah. A little more. A little more. Easy.
Nice.
I got you. You know how to tighten up a chain on a chainsaw?
Yeah,
All right, I got tools in my toolbox. I was hoping it came with a wrench, but it didn't. So if I lower this down to you, can you tighten up the chain for me?
He's got the string. You can just throw it.
Yeah, I got a string.
You lower it down, I'll grab it.
Look at all us pros out here doing this. That actually worked out really good.
Yeah, it did.
Got it still intact on that side?
yeah.
Actually, yes. Like Mallory did it perfectly to where it rolled off. All right, let me cut some of these branches off first. Through the chain. Yeah, pretty much. And it's green, so it's not gonna break. Well, too bad. I'm gonna send the chain down. Chain looks like it's kind of messed up right there. See, it's got burrs. Probably from hitting this dang thing.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
You got a file by chance?
That I don't. I'm trying to think about what I do got to.
Oh, good, you got it. Well, so much for that.
All right. It's clear, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Did anyone else's anxiety just go up watching that?
Mine definitely did.
All right, so as y'all see, we got it down. And it was definitely a we. There was definitely no I on this one. We had a nice neighbor come help us out, and he had a block and lots of experience, so that helped us out. Chainsaw took a crap on me up top. Not sure if it was on the GoPro, but it was hilarious because it scared the living crap out of me. And we couldn't make a good cut, so we just had to yank her. But she is down. Now I gotta get a new chain for the chainsaw, and we'll come back and help her cut it up into some firewood size, and once it ages and seasons, she can have a big old bonfire in the backyard like she's been wanting. And she made us dinner, so we're about to see how good these. Where's she at? Can't see her.
I don't know. Chicken
No black
skewers.
You said chicken skewers?
Yeah. I got them from Aldi's. They were already made. It was great.
Well, y'all, it's a few days later now, and I was just extremely tired that night when we did all that. But I just wanted to close this out with you guys. Appreciate y'all watching. don't forget to go subscribe to the channel and check out our next video next week coming out, because I promise you, y'all are going to want to see that one. And I'll give you a quick sneak peek on why you're going to want to see that one. Bam. That's all y'all get. That's all y'all get. I'll see y'all next week.